There it will. Good afternoon, everyone. It is December the 27th, 2020. And it is 4:10 p.m. in the afternoon. There's Gorgeous over there saying hello to everybody. So, Pantress way over there. Okay, and there's my lovely wife.
Hello, good afternoon. We are in Lutz, Florida.
Yeah.
2020, December.
And there's my lovely daughter, Sierra.
And we are going to dig a sweet potato. Yet again.
All right.
We were here in June, 6 months ago. And in this very spot, I planted again. And a couple nights ago, we have a cold temperature and in the 30s, and look, so we are gonna dig.
Got down to 33 degrees last night.
Okay, come this way, say hi.
33 degrees last night, so it did a number on the vines.
Yeah.
Definitely did a number on the vines.
Okay, and Ciara gonna dig. And look what he is getting. Holy macaroni.
All right. The first one.
Show it to Daddy. Wow.
Now that's a big one.
Yeah.
The first one too. All right.
And there's more in here, baby.
In 6 months, it really grew nice.
Here's another one.
Small one, yeah. Compared to the other one, it's small anyway.
I made it.
Yeah. Got a basket. Or a barrel, yeah. It's the wheelbarrow. See, she had to throw it all the way over there in the wheelbarrow. And she made it twice.
Ciara, you cannot, anything that you step on and it feels like it's kind of heavy. Here you go, baby.
Different angle here.
Yeah, get this one, baby. Don't worry about the vine. The vine. Yeah. Yeah. So that one. This one over here. Yeah. What's a big hit, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, a couple of them there. All right.
Oh, we have a little one.
Yeah.
Little ones are delicious too.
That's the one she's throwing in the wheelbarrow.
They're fun to throw. I made it again. And again.
Cool.
3 in a row.
And you got another one there already.
Ciara is gonna get bruised, baby. They're potatoes. Yeah, but they could bruise too. But it's fun to throw them. But if you bruise, you don't want to eat them. Okay. Do you cut off the bruise part?
Yeah, you might have to just put them on the ground there and we'll carry them over there later.
Over here, baby. You look like we have a big one in here.
Lots of vines.
Hey, well, would you look at that?
We really need JJ out here ripping them back. But he won't come out here.
He is shy. He is a camera shy now. Okay, this way, baby. Ooh, the big one here. Oh, did you? Oh my God! You hit the sweet potato. I hit what? Oh man!
Must have hit the side of the wheelbarrow.
Alright, just put it in here. You ruined that thing.
Yeah, just pile them up on the ground.
Yeah, it's close. It's mass now. Don't worry, no worries.
Just one. No, we can pick them up later. Not a problem. We got lots more.
Yeah, right here, baby. Alright, you come this way. Whoa, look at that, Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Look like a bunch of them together, huh?
Yeah, there's a few of them there.
You made this. Put it over here. Man, you really get that sweet potato on the head, huh? What did that sweet potato do to deserve such a beating? Nice! Very nice!
Mm-hmm.
That was... Alright.
All right.
Come over here, baby. There's more in here. Right here. Right there, baby. We're gorgeous! And this is a new... This is a sweet potato totally grown in wood chips. Oh my goodness, this dirt is so good, sweetheart.
Oh, yeah.
What's her, sweetheart? Look at that. Sweet potato.
There ought to be quite a few of them in here. 6 months ago, we got 80 pounds worth out of this one little area.
Right here, baby. Right there.
That cold sure did a number on these vines.
Yeah, even here in Florida, we still get cold here sometimes.
Yep. Yeah, looks like you got a clump of them underneath there.
Whoa, that's nice, y'all. Some of them are little, but those little are delicious to eat.
Yeah.
Boil them and you just eat them. Ah, there's a cat in there, Jason.
Yeah.
them are really small. These are a big one. That's it. I take pictures of your Jason.
I am. Yeah, they got something hanging there. Yeah. She's getting a bunch of them over here. Not all of them are real big, but getting a bunch of them.
Oh my God, did you see that?
Yeah. I don't know how long we let the last bunch grow before we pulled them out of the ground.
4 to 6 months.
4 to 6 months. Well, it's been 6 months for this one. Yeah, the vines got me.
That girl is strong, sweetheart.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. You see that? You see her, Jason?
Oh, yeah. She's pulling those vines.
Oh my God.
She's got a big group of them she's trying to pull.
Yeah,
May have to come to a different spot over here and pull back the other way to get them to move back. There's got to be more in there. It's been 6 months, so.
Oh my God.
There's got to be more. There's some more big ones in there somewhere. It just happened to hit a big one to start. There's got to be more of them in there because we had so many big ones the last time. Last time we had quite a few big ones.
There's a lot here.
Yeah, you've hit a nice group of them there.
Yeah, this girl, she was digging. Remember, we live in Riverview. She was digging there, and she was so excited.
Oh yeah.
See anything on the ground. See, you can walk around too and feel it with your foot.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm sweating. I ain't. Huh? I ain't.
See here, you might need to grab the vines there and pull back that way.
There's more on your nose.
Well, I believe it, but what I mean is instead of pulling the same direction, grab them and pull that way.
Pull this way?
Yeah, grab them. No, not the same. Grab that spot right in front of you. Grab the spot. There you go. Now pull straight back.
And you can separate them too, baby. Whoa, okay.
Yeah, see, now you're getting them out.
Whoa, you got...
See, they're starting to come out.
Some of them are small, but...
Yeah.
You will eat them first. The little one.
Yeah, it's all right that they're small.
This one looks like a heart.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That's like the size of a
big heart.
softball there or something.
No, look, it's shaped like a heart.
Yeah, shaped like a heart, yeah. Yeah.
I got a few small
Yeah, I knew there had to be some bigger ones somewhere. Mm-hmm.
I like it this big, sweetheart. I like the little one.
Yeah.
They are tastier.
There's a bunch of them too. There is a bunch of them. There you go. Just grab them and start ripping them back.
I like it this big, sweetheart.
Right.
I like them small ones because they are sweet.
Mm.
Woo!
Yeah, you've hit a little group of them there.
I got it.
Yeah, there's a little bit bigger one. Yep. I knew there had to be some bigger ones in there somewhere. That's also the area right there I think the first big one came from.
Uh-oh, what happened to my... Ciara,
As you can see, the dragon fruit is right there. But we're working on the sweet potatoes today.
oh my God, look.
Uh-oh.
They're like...
About 4 of them right there. 3 of them.
Okay, what?
One of them looks like a double one. 4 or 5 of them or something like that.
Yeah. Thank you, Jesus. With a good harvest, right?
Yeah, it seems like there's quite a few areas where there's all of a sudden a bunch of them. Oh, Ciara hit one over there too where she had a whole bunch of them in one area.
Alright, so we're gonna... separate this. Yeah, JJ could have been here.
Yeah, JJ could grab them to rip them all back, but he wouldn't come out here. JJ can grab these things and start ripping them back.
Oh,
They ain't gonna stop him.
look,
Yeah, that's a good size one. That's a good size one. Smokies came to supervise.
oh, Smokey's gonna help me.
Uh-oh.
Look at this. Oh my
Nice
God.
group of them.
And that big one is 2, 4, 6.
Nice group of them.
And these are very nice. These are good. Oh, Ciara got one. And Smokey is here to supervise. You help this, Smokey, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, Ciara. Look at that!
Wow.
Oh my God!
Smokey's having fun.
This is yeah. Don't go for the Oh my God! Look at what Ciara got over there. Look at Ciara got.
Smokey's watching.
Another one, sweetheart.
Oh yeah, another group of them. Yeah.
Wow.
All right. Yeah.
Ciara, there
Let me
is
change angles here. You're okay there, Smokey. Oh, there's a big one here. Right here. Medium-sized one. I gotta get by here.
a little one.
Smokey's ready to play.
Smokey is the supervisor. You are the supervisor, Smokey?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, Smokey, you're cute, pretty.
Yeah, there's one right down there. There you go. About a medium-sized one. Oh, there's several of them.
He is the supervisor, sweetheart.
Yeah.
Cute kitty.
Mm-hmm.
Look at how little Jason is. This is from the brunch. From the vine. It's vining away. Vining away. Tiara, move that way, baby.
Yeah, you got one hanging there on the vine.
Oh yeah. Run, Smokey, run.
See what Mommy's doing over here. Now that's what so far what our harvest looks like right there. You can kind of see them, they kind of sort of blending in,
They're
but
all very nice.
they're nice. So, yeah, you get the one hanging on the vine there. Oh, Smokey's trying to help.
Smokey's helping.
Yeah.
Tiara.
Smokey's trying. She's trying to help.
Okay, we have little ones in here, but oh my gosh.
Smokey getting caught in the vines now.
Okay. Right there.
Oh, you got a big one you just uncovered. Medium to big. Right here, whenever you pull the vine, there's one right there. Or that's not, I don't know if that's the one I was looking at. No, there's another one there too. Yeah, there it is. I knew there was a little bit bigger one there.
Look what Tiara would do to this mushroom. She loves it.
Yeah.
Watch what she's gonna do.
Yeah. Well, you get the feeling you don't like mushrooms.
I hate mushrooms.
Oh my God! How this in here? Got a few little ones in here.
Yeah.
God, we're going to have sweet potato for the rest of this year.
Yeah. And
The
then
rest of
some.
this year, you think?
Yeah, only 4 days left of this year. 3 days, three and a half days, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5 days. 4 days or something.
There's a long
We-
one there.
We're gonna have it. We're gonna have sweet potato from this harvest into 2021. Start off the new year right. The end of the year and the new year. Especially this year has been so,
Terrible.
yeah, with the lockdown and
Corona.
all that. Yeah, all the lockdown that never even seemed to do any good anyway. But we did it though.
We're going to have a good year this year.
Yeah.
And we're ready to move on.
Yep.
Have a prosperous new year. Right, Dad?
That's right. Yeah, she's uncovered a few of them over here. I gotta get where the sun doesn't glare on this thing. The sun's in that direction. Well,
Smokey, you having fun, Smokey?
yeah, you uncovered a long one there. You're uncovering them. Yeah, you're definitely uncovering them.
We got good potatoes, y'all. Good potatoes.
Yeah.
And this is potato.
Yeah. Yeah, we didn't know how to do all this back then. We still got more area to uncover. We got that area over there. And we got that area right there. There's a lot of area these vines have covered this time.
I thought this was a potato for a second.
Ah, yeah. You know, the last time we dug these up, I don't think we uncovered the whole area either.
Oh my goodness, look at this one over here.
Yeah.
Smokey, you like that wheelbarrow?
Yeah, she's like, yeah, don't throw any of those in here.
Wow, there's a lot over here.
There he is.
Yeah, look at all these. This one looks like a boomerang.
Oh, boomerang, yeah.
Another one. Wow.
Look how rich that is, how dark.
Oh yeah. Gotta have good soil for good food.
That's right.
That's the key. You have good soil, you're gonna get good produce.
Yeah.
Produce.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. There's another one, yep. There's got to be more in there. There almost has to be more in there. Especially as thick as that is there. All right. There's a lot of vine behind you over there.
Yeah, those I did not plant.
Oh, you didn't?
Yeah, sometimes.
Oh, it just took off that way. Okay.
They just took all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need to come here. Come this way.
I think she's still trying to uncover some. This area is kind of thick.
Finding some?
Yeah, because this area right here is so deep.
Yeah, there's probably more here.
Probably.
Can't hurt
see
to
if
dig
I
a little
can
bit more.
see if I can scrape. Yeah, there's a small one there. Just uncovered my boot. That one right there. You almost to it. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, nobody's gonna get hungry in this house.
Nope.
Oh, right, Tiara? I found one.
Found one. Yeah. I'm trying to uncover some of my boots. Because there's got to be. This stuff's so thick. There's got to be some that we're missing.
There's this root that's going down here.
Yeah, that's probably got some too.
Yeah, it looked the cold weather the other night did a number on the potatoes here.
Yep. It don't look like it did anything to the dragon fruit. They look okay.
You know why? Because they're not on the ground.
Right. Yeah. 'Cause this sure got cold last night.
And they're supposed to withstand until like 28 degrees or something like that.
Yeah, it got down to 33, so getting close.
But they're okay. It didn't look like they burned or something.
Right.
Okay, what do you want me to do, Mom?
This over here, baby. You know, like did this one that way. I'm already cutting them.
Grab it, pull it that way.
Oh, you want me to pull them on?
Yeah, that way. Be careful with the. Yeah, you already got some, baby.
Yeah, you got some on the vine.
You got some on the vine. Alright, check on the vine, baby. Before you keep moving. You don't want to lose them. Oh man, this is too small.
Too small. Put it back for another day.
Yeah. Ooh,
Yeah.
help. Help her, Smokey.
Now you just uncovered a couple more. They're hanging on the vine. You're dragging them. Looks like about 3 of them. Maybe 4. 3 or 4.
I have a hole in it.
A hole?
You found something, huh?
Yeah, you might. Yeah. Yeah.
Woo! Ciara, huh? Put it next to you there because you don't want to bruise it again and crack. Just leave it there for you.
Yeah, oh, yeah. You just pulled out a big one. And there's another one there, too. That one there's the size of a softball. Maybe a little bit bigger.
Softball, is it hard?
Yeah. Softballs are bigger than baseball.
I can't break it off.
You can't break it?
I got this.